देखिए, I am cooking this food. It's sizzling hot. So precious. It's so nice. Today I make first time my alone pasta. First time in my life. Otherwise my mom make pasta for me. Welcome to Augustin Mom Show. I have forgotten to tell that it is Augustin Mom Show. It's very good. Look, it's sizzling. Thank you. Look, it's me filling the hot, delicious pasta. I call this yellow pasta. Now we have to touch like this, little bit. Yes. First you have to, when we make pasta, so we have to bake a little much of pasta. We have to boil pasta. Like we boil Maggi, that's we have to boil pasta. A few minutes. If it's white, the liquid will be white. So till there we have to boil pasta. Then we have to collect them into the this like container. I have also. Then we have to add spices like red chili, that salt, red chili powder, and we can also add haldi because I am making yellow pasta, so we can also add haldi in it to make yellow pasta. Then we have to make a like kadai like this, and we have to add oil in it. Then we have to add some more spices like haldi, chili, and salt. Then we have to pour it into this container to like this. I have done, but I cannot make video because I remind me now it's sizzling. Can I make video? So this is my first time to make alone pasta. Then we have to boil like this, and its sound is like this. It's amazing. Look. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye bye.